In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share someone's TikTok videos on your TikTok account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up TikTok app. And once you find a video, you are going to share to your TikTok account and also to put that video to your TikTok friends suggestions. All you have to do is just hit right here at share. That's where you can easily find a repost button, and all we have to do is just tap on it. Now it says you reposted, and then we can go to our TikTok profile. Right over here we can easily find that repost button, and if we tap on it, it will show us all of the videos we have reposted on TikTok. That's where we can find them, that's where we can rewatch them. And then let's say if you want to remove some video from here, you can easily do so. Just open it up, hit share, and then hit add remove repost. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.